morning, everybody. This is Ritika Gupta, your host of today's event. Happy to be part of yet another webinar of internship made to guide the students on how to excel the group discussions. Let me tell you, internship is an organization which wants to redefine the overall experience of internship such that the first job experience doesn't become your first work experience. Did you get the difference what I said just now? Nah. Then you must lend your ears to us because we have something very, very important for you in next 45 minutes that can help you to become job ready. Okay, come on. If I speak solely for placement perspective, then certainly students who have joined us today on 18 December, Saturday ko subah subah, thande wale morning mein, will agree that GD is a critical round in placement drives and many students face difficulties in clearing that particular stage, isn't it? Even if a candidate is very sound in technical knowledge, knows everything about his or her subject, is often dropped because of her performance or his performance in the group discussion during placement drives. But why? Why is this group discussion so important? Why? What is its relevance for a company? Why can't just an employer take your logical reasoning test, take an aptitude test, check domain expertise, come out you an offer letter and go home? Why can't it happen? What they want to judge you in GD? What if you have no clue at all about the topic in the discussion that has been given to you? All these questions will be answered in this Power Pack webinar of just 45 minutes. Having said this, I would like to take the opportunity to introduce our guest speaker, Ms. Alka Madan. She is Regional Director at West Pearl Academy. Hello, ma'am. She is an expert in a strategic partnership, corporate relations, career services, creating unique brand value propositions, business development, social impact, and whatnot. She has 20 plus years of career spanning in top corporation and education institutions. In past, she had been associated with Bent University, New Delhi, and UPES. She enjoys and thrives at leading both the departments of corporate relations and the Office of Development team, and live moment by moment challenges that are thrown up by this role. Welcome, Ms. Alka.
Good morning. Thank you so much, Ritika, and thank you for setting up the context for this very important today's session. So good morning, students. And Saturday morning is always difficult to start with the work. But yes, this is what we are here for. So good morning, everybody. I hope you're feeling all enthusiastic and energetic. Can I see your raised hands or something? Yeah, 4 participants raised hands. Oh, that's bad. Hello, everyone. Coffee le lo haath mein. Good morning, Sunil. Good morning. Yeah. So we've been talking about, campus interviews. We have been talking about internships. We have been talking about how to crack an interview, and we've been talking about various assessment tests. Normally, a company or a corporate or an industry conducts to select the best fit person. I assume, hi Soumya, I assume that everyone is good. Like we said कि एक छोटा सा टेस्ट क्यों नहीं ले लेते जिसमें मेरी abilities check हो जाए, मेरी बाकी skills check हो जाए. But yes, there are so many tools to assess the various aspects of a personality, isn't it? और उस सब को करने के लिए a group discussion is also a tool. It is a tool which has been used for a very long time. Very long time, बहुत time से ये use होता आ रहा है. और इससे पहले we learn about that. How do I successfully participate and come out, selected from a group discussion round? We need to understand that what is group discussion. Right? So I will start with my PPT, though I'm not a great believer of PPT, but this is just to give you some context also and to give you some reference also. So normally this is how a group discussion looks like. कितने लोगों ने group discussion में participate किया हुआ है? Let me stop sharing first. कितने लोगों ने करा हुआ है ग्रुप डिस्कशन में और कितने लोग इंटिमिडेट हो जाते हैं ग्रुप डिस्कशन से, कितने लोगों को डर लगता है ग्रुप डिस्कशन में जाने से पहले, और वो क्या क्या डर होता है आप अगर चैट में डालते जाओ, हम साथ साथ काम बात भी करते रहेंगे. आपको ग्रुप डिस्कशन में क्या डर लगता है? what is that you are afraid of, or what you not exactly afraid of, you're apprehensive, or what is that performance के लिए आपके बीच में road block बन के आता है? So first we will start with that. What is this group discussion? Group discussion, normally there are 7 to 8 people. Am I right? 7 to 8 people who sit, they are given a topic and you are supposed to talk about that topic. And normally the topic which is given has got two sides to it. जैसे debate होता है, एक pro होता है, एक उसमें against होता है. So normally the topics are given which has got two sides to it. You have to present a view and draw some logical conclusion from the discussion which you have as a group. So that is a group discussion. अब ये group discussion जो होता है, ये मैंने आपको बताया, and आपको क्यों करवाते हैं group discussion? Whether it is an elimination round or whether it is a selection round. What is the difference between an elimination and a selection round? Selection round होता है जिसमें आपके 10 तरह के टेस्ट लेते हैं, am I right? इसमें आपको सब में से आपको वेटेज मिलती है, and at the end of all the assessments you are given a score, and वो स्कोर के हिसाब से मेरिट बनती है. That is a selection round. एक होता है सिलेक्शन में जिसमें आपके एलिमिनेशन राउंड होता है. So you have these many candidates and you want to select say 10 out of say 150 or 200 candidates, and उसके बाद आप उनकी एलिमिनेशन शुरू करते हैं, which is usually the way it is done. आप एलिमिनेट करते चले जाते हैं, एंड में जाके if you want to select 10, you select 50, and then 50 का final round होता है, that is the interview round, and then you select your 10 or 12, whichever you want. This is normally it is done. Now, when you are doing a group discussion, when you enter this tool, a recruiter is looking at what skills. एक बार जब आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्लियर हो जाता है कि why I am going in for this test, then you attempt keeping those outcomes in mind. क्या वो मेरे कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स चेक कर रहे हैं? क्या मेरे वो टीम स्किल्स चेक कर रहे हैं? राइट? क्या मेरी वो लीडरशिप स्किल्स चेक कर रहे हैं? And then you accordingly behave in a group discussion. Am I right? You got me? You can just keep raising hands also, right? This is, once the objective is clear, then half the battle is won. पहली बात तो जो आपका टॉपिक दिया जाता है, आप उसके बारे में बोलेंगे. You're going to speak about that topic, so they will know that have you understood the topic. ये जो पूछ कुछ रहे हैं, आप जवाब कुछ और दे रहे हैं, so that means your understanding of the subject, understanding of any topic, how good you are. That is the first thing. Supposingly they are talking about social media and you are talking about something else. So there is a conflict. So first they will check that do you understand? Then how assertive are you when you are presenting any thoughts? एक ये check करेंगे. We will talk about it. Teamwork, of course, because there are going to be 8 to 10 people. How do you behave when you are with other people? This is the most critical skill or value or behavioral skill which is required today. Like we keep saying, तेंदुलकर बनने से तभी फायदा है when the team performs. एक तेंदुलकर कुछ नहीं कर सकता. You've been saying this, you've been hearing this, and this holds true today also. It is the team which wins. It is never the individual which wins. Right? It is the performance. Yes, performance are important, but at the same time, it has the team. So, आप क्या टीम को साथ लेके चल सकते हैं? टीम के बीच में आप सही बिहेव कर सकते हैं. And are you ready to take the initiative? आप कोई काम शुरू कर सकते हैं. This is how you start a group discussion. Do you have the courage to start a group discussion? This is also checked. Adaptability. Supposingly somebody else has started. somebody else is speaking. How do you adapt yourself to people around you? And why adaptability? This is an ever changing world. World आपके आसपास इतनी तेजी से change हो रहा है. Do you have that ability to adapt? And leadership, of course, we talked about communication skills is like, of course, that is what is checked. Listening power. जब कोई बोलता है, आपके अंदर वो patience है दूसरों को सुनने की. बोलना बहुत आसान होता है, सुनना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. And to agree to others also, to actually absorb the other's point of view also. हम अपने लिए ही अपने आप ही लीडर बने रहते हैं, हम अपने आप ही खुश होते रहते हैं कि मैंने ये बोल दिया, मैंने वो बोल दिया. Do we have that power of listening and open-mindedness? That, of course, like I said, do we have that open-mindedness to listen to somebody's idea and actually agree with that idea? And the ability to stand corrected also. कि मैं ऐसे सोच रही थी, but you know, मैं ऐसे सोच रहा था, but I do stand corrected. This is a very nice point you have put up. I wish I had thought about it. You have opened my eyes. This is a new perspective, and I welcome that. And thank you for that. Are you open-minded or not? So many skills gets evaluated when you attempt 12 से 15 minute का एक group discussion. Look at the recruiters, aren't they smart? Right? And that is why this group discussion, जो कब से चला आ रहा है, today also it is a relevant tool for selection, finding the right fit. Right? Great. Now we will talk about that. Now you are in the group discussion. How do we make this impactful? मेरे point of view से क्या चीजें मुझे करनी चाहिए और क्या चीजें मुझे नहीं करनी चाहिए. मैं एक ये छोटी सी प्रेजेंटेशन में इसलिए पहले बता रही हूँ ताकि हम खूब सारी बातें कर सके, हम खूब सारे इश्यूज ले सके. Right? And we will keep taking questions and we'll keep talking about it. But let me just go through this presentation so that you have a context, you have an overall view. Of course, आपको do's के लिए है कि you should have a good subject knowledge. Important, naturally. And be a leader. What does this leader means? You know, leader means आप सबको साथ लेके चलना. लीडर का मतलब ही क्या होता है? लीड करना. लीड तब होता है जब आपके फॉलोअर्स होते हैं. When you have that ability to make people listen to you, make people follow you, that is a leader. और लीडर का एक और बहुत बड़ा काम होता है कि वो सबको साथ लेके चलना. Be relevant. आप काम की बात कर रहे हो, which makes sense. और आप जबरदस्ती for the sake of talking, you are talking. So you need to be relevant when you are in a group discussion. And of course, I did talk about a good listener. That is the ability. आप जब तक सुनेंगे नहीं, when you don't have your ears on the ground, it does not make sense. इसीलिए आपको एक good listener होना बहुत जरूरी है. And आपके body gestures क्या हैं? ये हम ना बहुत ही subconsciously अपने body को use करते हैं. But जो अगला देख रहा होता है, वो बहुत ही scrutiny में आपके एक body gesture को देखता है. Are you coming across as very assertive? Very assertive, in fact, assertive से भी ज़्यादा aggressive. तो आप जब aggressive हो जाते हो ना, आप ऐसे हो जाते हो, आगे आ जाते हो. Assertive होते हो तो you are like this. And when you are not bothered कि कौन क्या बोल रहा है, मुझे कोई किसी से लेना देना नहीं है, आप पीछे चले जाते हो. When you start making a point and your body is all agitated, आप इतने सारे हाथ यूज करते हो, ऐसे करते रहते हो, like this. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? आप बहुत ज्यादा एग्रेसिव हो रहे हो, एजिटेटेड हो रहे हो. आपको एजिटेटेड देख के दुनिया एजिटेटेड नहीं हो जाएगी. How will you be a good leader? You need to be calm and you need to be assertive both at the same time. जब कोई बोल रहा है, आप किधर देख रहे हैं? If somebody else is speaking and you are looking here and there, that is a body gesture. When you just somebody speaking and then you sit like this, That means you're not open to somebody else's idea. You've closed yourself. So these small things the recruiters pick up. So be relaxed when you're speaking, be confident. You should look confident. And don't be, there is a thin line between aggressiveness and being assertive. Don't cross that line. Right? This is about the do's and to be avoided. क्या हुआ? एक बहुत ही interesting कहानी है. So when I was with UPS, so HPCL आपने नाम सुना होगा. It's a very big public sector company, and they had come to select some students from MBA Oil and Gas. Very excited. The students were very excited. Naturally, a huge company coming on campus and selecting क्या सरकारी है सब कुछ and dream company. And they did a group discussion, and one of the entire group got eliminated. पूरा का पूरा group eliminate हो गया. बच्चे रो पड़े क्योंकि उनमें से कुछ बदमाश बच्चे भी थे, कुछ बच्चे बहुत अच्छे भी थे. And they refused to consider those 12 students. Any reason why? Can I see some chats here? The whole group got disconnected. Sorry. Wait. Yeah. The whole group got eliminated because वहाँ पे एक fish market बना. Everybody was speaking at the same time. Everybody was talking. Everybody was crisscrossing, and it had become such a fish market that they said, sorry, ये वाला group में सबके सब eliminate हो गए. So एक जने की वजह से आपकी वजह भी हो, आप भी वो वजह हो सकते हो, कोई और भी वो वजह हो सकता है जिससे आपका पूरा का पूरा ग्रुप एलिमिनेट हो सकता है. So avoid that. And if somebody is trying to do that, have the courage and stop that, because nobody gets selected there. So this has to be completely avoided. And of course, no aggressiveness. We just talk about don't crisscross. Crisscross का मतलब क्या होता है कि मान लीजिए आपने एक टॉपिक था, आप उस टॉपिक पे बोल रहे हैं and you believe in that topic, you believe in that subject, you are for that subject, and suddenly बीच में आप change हो गए, आप you start speaking against it. So have that firm, thought process. Are you for the topic or you against the topic? Do you believe in certain things or you don't believe in certain things? Don't crisscross your ideas. That will lead to confusion, and that will showcase that you are a confused person who cannot think in one direction. And of course, I told you, don't be a part of fish market. If somebody is creating that ruckus, first don't start. You also don't start कि मैं भी पीछे रह गया, सब बोल रहे हैं यार मैं ही पीछे छूट गया. And sometimes what happens is that everybody is so enthused, and so everybody is so everybody has got a point to make, and you are not getting an entry. तो आपने एक बार ये अटेम्प्ट किया बोलने के लिए, दो बार ये अटेम्प्ट किया, आपको कोई सुन नहीं रहा, तो डोंट गिव अप कि यार ये तो बोलने ही नहीं दे रहे यार, सब लोग इतने अच्छे हैं. Try attempting that. Excuse me, can I make a point now? Can I get a chance now? I would like to speak here. Everybody has spoken. Can you please give me a chance? Make multiple, try and make multiple entries. So don't give up. ये ना हो कि लास्ट तक आपको चांस ही नहीं मिला बोलने के लिए. ऐसा भी होता है. Students are very aggressive these days. They will not allow you. Everybody is trying to earn their brownie points. Right? And कहीं पे आपको किसी की बात समझ में नहीं आ रही है, ask for clarity. Don't start asking जबरदस्ती के questions to put somebody down, but you can ask, Mr. So and so, you made this point. Can you throw some light on what did you mean by this? That shows that you are interested in somebody else's viewpoint also. Do that. Do that, but do not interrupt. Don't interrupt. You wouldn't like yourself to get interrupted, but don't do that on others. किसी को ऑफ बैलेंस करने के लिए, किसी को जबरदस्ती करने के लिए, डोंट थ्रो समबडी डाउन. किसी को नीचा दिखा के आप ऊंचा उठ नहीं सकते. आपकी लाइन आपको बड़ी करनी पड़ेगी. किसी की लाइन छोटी करने से आपकी लाइन बड़ी नहीं होती है. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट. किसी की लाइन अगर इतनी है, यू नीड टू कम अक्रॉस एज स्मार्टर. आपको अपनी लाइन बड़ी करनी पड़ेगी. आपको अपने आप को ऊंचा उठाना पड़ेगा. किसी को नीचे उठा के आप नीचे कभी भी नहीं उठ सकते. ठीक है. And again I told you, a thin line between aggressiveness and assertiveness. You need to be very clear that don't cross that line. Before I come to this, maybe I'll stop share and I'll come to some questions first. Yes. I get nervous during group discussion. I want to say a lot of things, but always fail. How do I overcome my nervousness? Stage fear सबको होता है, and it is a nervous एक point तक होना अच्छी बात होती है, because उससे आपको motivation मिलती है prepare करने के लिए. Over confidence is never a good thing, but अगर आप preparation के साथ जाते हैं, one, आपको confidence आता है. Secondly, if you are nervous to start a group discussion, then don't do that. क्या होता है कि कई बार just to show कि मैं बहुत बड़ा leader हूँ, मैं एकदम से discussion शुरू कर देता हूँ, मगर मैंने अपने points भी नहीं बनाए हुए होते अपने दिमाग में. वो impact जो होता है वो negative पड़ जाता है. So if you are not able to start a conversation, don't start. Listen to some others speak first, and then in the meanwhile, अगर आप नर्वस हो रहे हैं, आप फटाफट अपने दिमाग में 2-3 पॉइंट्स बना लें और उसके बाद आप शुरू कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. बट आपको प्रैक्टिस खूब सारी आपको कम्युनिकेशन की करनी पड़ेगी. नमीना, यस, बिकॉज यू हैव अ पॉइंट. कैन यू जस्ट पुट दैट क्वेश्चन इन द चैट? हाँ, because you can ask that question, put it in the chat box and I can take it up from there. Either put it in the question and answers or put it in the chat. Because then I will come to a very important part of the presentation, that sometimes आपको एक ऐसा टॉपिक मिल जाता है जिसके बारे में आपने सुना भी नहीं होता, जिसके बारे में आपको कुछ आइडिया नहीं होता और आपने कहीं पे पढ़ा नहीं होता. Am I right? Am I right? Raise your hands. How many of you are scared of this? Yes. कि कभी एक ऐसा वाला क्वेश्चन आ जाए, ऐसा वाला टॉपिक आ जाए जिसके बारे में मैंने कभी सुना ही नहीं. अब आप क्या करेंगे उस टाइम पे? ओके, सो let me just take you there first, because ये चीजें नर्वसनेस बढ़ाती हैं आपकी. Now can you see the screen? So there is a girl and she doesn't know what to speak. She is blank. She is blank. मैंने जैसे बोला कि सबसे पहले आपने क्वेश्चन सुना, आप अपना दिमाग इधर उधर घुमाते हैं. 2 चीजें उस टाइम घुमाते हुए देखनी चाहिए कि उससे कुछ मिलती जुलती चीज आपने कहीं पढ़ी है, कहीं पे आपने उससे कोई भी रेलेवेंट, उससे कोई जुड़ी हुई कनेक्टेड चीज आपने पढ़ी है, तो वो आप पॉइंट्स अपने पास, अपना एक तो पेपर और पेन रखो, उसके ऊपर पॉइंट्स लिख लिया करो. ऑलवेज कैरी अ पेपर एंड पेन and then keep it there, write down points. It will help you. It will help you. आपने नहीं सुना हुआ, doesn't matter. दूसरों को सुनो. जब आप दूसरों को सुनते हैं तब आपको उस सब्जेक्ट के बारे में आइडिया आ जाता है. और कहीं पे अपनी नर्वसनेस नहीं शो करनी कि ये क्या हो गया यार, I wish I had read about this. अरे यार, ये तो मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं. Now you should be projecting confidence. इनफैक्ट आप पेपर पेंसिल ले लो, दूसरों के पॉइंट्स लिखने शुरू कर दो और अगला सोचेगा कि यू आर सो मेथोडिकल दैट यू आर राइटिंग ईच वंस व्यू पॉइंट्स, एंड देन दूसरों के पॉइंट्स को आप अपने पॉइंट्स थोड़े से चेंज करके प्रेजेंट करो. दैट इज अ स्मार्ट थिंग टू डू. but when you do not have any choice, you got to do that. नहीं तो एक और काम कर सकते हो कि जब सब लोग बोल दें, अब आपने पॉइंट्स लिख लिए, कोई फॉर में है, कोई अगेंस्ट में है, समराइज द एंटायर डिस्कशन. उसमें आपका कोई पॉइंट लगा नहीं, आपकी कोई नॉलेज नहीं लगी, बट आपकी समराइजेशन स्किल जो है वो आ गई और किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि यू डिड नो एनीथिंग अबाउट द टॉपिक. यू नीड टू बी रियली स्मार्ट. दूसरों के पॉइंट्स को थोड़ा सा तोड़ मरोड़ के स्मार्ट करके थोड़ी अच्छी लैंग्वेज डाल के कुछ अच्छे अच्छे पॉइंट्स लेके उसको रिप्रेजेंट दोबारा से प्रेजेंट कर दो या फिर उसको समराइज कर दो कि he spoke about this, that's a good viewpoint, ये अगेंस्ट है, you know, इस तरीके से आप उसको करें. एंड अगर मान लो कोई उसके फॉर में बोल रहा है, उसके अगेंस्ट मत जाओ क्योंकि आपको तो नॉलेज ही नहीं है. सो डोंट गो अगेंस्ट द फ्लो. मान लो आप बह रहे हो सबके साथ, तो आप बहते रहो, आप स्ट्रीम आने की कोशिश मत करो, वो स्ट्रगल हो जाएगा आपके लिए, बिकॉज आपके पास व्यू पॉइंट्स नहीं है, आपके पास कंटेंट नहीं है, आपके पास नॉलेज नहीं है. वहां आप पकड़े जाओगे, वहां पे आप एक्सपोज हो जाओगे, बिकॉज आपके पास स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट्स नहीं है और किसी ने आगे से आपको कोई और काउंटर पॉइंट डाला तो यू विल गेट स्टक. सो गो विद द फ्लो. This is when you do not know anything about the topic. Group discussion बहुत simple सा sound करता है, but as I keep repeating, there are so many skills which gets evaluated that it is normally conducted. So be very careful. Normally हम क्या होता है कि इसकी तैयारी नहीं करते, ग्रुप डिस्कशन की हम तैयारी नहीं करते, हम सोचते हैं हम संभाल लेंगे, हम बाकी चीजों पे ध्यान देते रहते हैं, but somehow when it comes to group discussion we take things for granted, but these are very important. उसके लिए सबसे पहले क्या होगा कि आपका वो करंट अफेयर्स भी चेक कर लेते हैं, how relevant, how much do you read. एंड इसीलिए एक पिंक न्यूज़पेपर और एक सफेद न्यूज़पेपर आपका पढ़ना एवरी डे इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कौन कौन से वर्ड्स हैं जो आपके बार बार यूज होते हैं. Can you give me some 5 words which you open any kind of medium, whether it is social media, whether it is newspaper, whether it is anything which comes to your mind कि ये 5 words जो हैं तुम्हारी आंखों के सामने घूमते रहते हैं, which is buzzing. Give me 5 buzzing words, everyone. Right. Let me see that how are you connected with the word. 5 आपने न्यूज़पेपर में कुछ 5 चीजें पढ़ी होंगी. 5, give me 5 words. For example, if I say artificial intelligence, right? I've given you one word. Give me 5 names. Everybody chat here. Put it in the chat box. Very good. Machine learning. Right here. Come on, come on. Deep learning. Very good. जो भी आप देखते हो, आप खोलते हो, एड्स आ रही हैं किसी चीज की, टॉपिक्स आ रहे हैं, वेबिनार्स के टॉपिक्स आ रहे हैं, और व्हाट इज ट्रेंडिंग. स्मार्ट सिटीज, वेरी गुड. डेटा साइंस, वेरी गुड. डेटा ड्रिवन, डेटा माइनिंग, robotic process automation. ये technology, we are talking about technology. Very good. So these are the words in technology. Then where is the world? What is the Prime Minister doing? What is he talking about? What is the world talking about? What are the world issues? Global warming, very good. Omicron, very good. COVID, yes. Post-COVID scenario. Global warming के साथ, come on. Sustainability, green environment, impact of social media, very good. Inspiring ability. आप लोगों ने अभी क्या किया है? अभी आप लोग पढ़ रहे थे. How are you studying? Automotive vehicles, very nice. Automotive vehicles. Everybody is talking about Tesla is is huge. You need to know what is happening in the world, what is trending in the world. Self-driven cars, very nice. अब सबसे बड़ा टॉपिक आपके पास आ सकता है, ऑफलाइन लर्निंग वर्सेस ऑनलाइन लर्निंग. सब हाइड्रोजन कार. So you guys know that these are the topics, these are the buzzwords, and normally you will find that topics will be given to you. Alexa, very nice. What is Alexa? Artificial intelligence, technology update, trending. Technology is ruling the world. आपको ये पूछ सकते हैं, Kirana going online, Kirana stores, chatbot, very nice. Local for vocal, HR technology. So you see yourself when you are writing all these things that, technology is the horizontal which is disrupting the world. Am I right? You yourself can see it is disrupting the world. So learn about it. When you say what is artificial intelligence, topic aa gaya, तुम्हें पता ही नहीं होगा artificial intelligence क्या है. And this is AI ML is like it's a common, जैसे होता है ना पाव भाजी. It's a that kind of a word which is being thrown around. Take out 5 minutes, just type what is in artificial intelligence, how it is relevant. आपके पास इतनी आजकल information आ जाती है, and then when you give context. अभी मैं 2-3 दिन पहले पढ़ी थी कि फीमेल मैरिड न्यू रूल 2021. ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज टाइस. 3 दिन पहले 18 से 21 उम्र कर दिया है. एम आई राइट? यू शुड नो. आपको ये भी नहीं पता होगा कि यार कि पहले एलिजिबल एज क्या थी, बिकॉज हम लोग ध्यान ही नहीं देते हैं. 18 साल की, अभी 3 दिन पहले हुआ है, 21 साल कर दिया. Then I heard about this word. I keep hearing this word. You guys must be hearing this word, metaverse. Right? You guys are technologically driven. Metaverse. What is metaverse? अब जब ये अपने आप टॉपिक्स को, इससे आपका ना एक एटीट्यूड पता लगता है कि आप how much are you open to learning new things. आपके अंदर नई चीज जानने के लिए भूख कितनी है, कितना आपको पता वर्ल्ड में क्या हो रहा है. When Modi goes out, when your prime minister goes out, what is he talking about? What does the world wants to listen? Or some summit happens. Just आपको पूरा summit देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको पता है पेट्रोल का प्राइस बढ़ गया, आपको पता है, सबको पता है 110, 115, 100 सब बात करते हैं. आप मोटरसाइकिल में अपने डलवाते होगे, कार में डलवाते हो, you feel the pinch. But take some interest. Take some interest. What is in the world, what is happening. China launch in 6G. जैसे अभी पूरे बॉम्बे में 5G की पाइप वर्ड डाल रही है. Do study about it. It's so interesting. It's so interesting. और एक बारी जब आपकी ये भूख जग जाती है ना, कुछ नया सुनने के लिए, कुछ नया जानने के लिए, वो भूख ना बढ़ती है, खत्म नहीं होती है ये वाली. And that is what gets reflected when you are attempting any discussion. ये तो ग्रुप डिस्कशन है. ग्रुप डिस्कशन एज एन असेसमेंट टूल है. इवन व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग इन द कॉर्पोरेट, दे विल गिव यू an issue, a challenge, and there are task force these days. They will select you. अरे यार वो सुदीप्ति है ना, उसको बड़ी नॉलेज रहती है, अपडेटेड रहती है. Take her in your group. She will give you some new ideas. This is how task force groups are also formed when you're working in a corporate. So be updated, learn about things, and ये confidence ना knowledge के साथ आता है. When you practice it, when you talk to others, and of course English is a medium to talk, but English को हम बहुत importance देते हैं. Do learn about it because that's how it is. But knowledge के लिए you don't need a medium. Knowledge को convey करने के लिए you don't need a medium. It will show in your body language. So be that child, be that person who is open. Again, I say open to learning things. and hear from others, learn from others, work with others, work with others. This is the age of collaboration. This is the age of collaboration. I keep saying age of collaboration, age of networking. There is no company which does everything by themselves. They outsource. They collaborate with the world so that they get the best and they do the best, they perform the best. And that is what I want you to be. You should learn, you should have that attitude and then go out and the world is yours. ये group discussion क्या चीज है यार? ये तो मैं ऐसे निकालना चाहिए. Please ask questions. एक स्लाइड मेरी रह गई है, मैं दिखाई देती हूँ वो वाली स्लाइड.
आप मैम आगे बढ़ें उसे जस्ट since I was listening you पूरा ध्यान लगा के, so दो तीन चीजें मुझे अभी बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छी लगी आपके एंड से. इज लाइक किसी को भूख होनी चाहिए सीखने की, उनको लर्निंग के लिए, कांस्टेंट लर्निंग के लिए इच्छा होना चाहिए. ग्रुप डिस्कशन इज जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ अ प्लेसमेंट ड्राइव, बट इफ somebody is continuously learning, continuously trying to explore new things, probably things becomes very very easy for that person in these 10-12 minutes of group discussion kind of thing.
Yeah.
And secondly, like when you said ki explore karo, we are in data driven system, सब कुछ technology से influenced है, at least get to know कि क्या चीजें हैं, क्या चीजें हैं, या फिर उसके बारे में बेसिक्स भी क्या हैं. सो दोज थिंग्स मे बी शायद हमारा जो प्रोग्राम है एक्सप्लोरर प्रोग्राम, वी आर डूइंग थ्रू दैट द सेम थिंग. बच्चों को फंडामेंटल्स पता चले कि अगर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंसी है तो वो क्या है, क्यों है, उसमें क्या करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं. सो दीज थिंग्स बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन यू आर इन इनिशियल पीरियड ऑफ योर कॉलेज ऑल्सो, कि आप उसको जाने समझें और फिर जब फाइनल ईयर पर आते हैं तो आप उसको यूज करें, उसको बारे में बोलें और आप उसके बारे में ट्रेंडिंग रहें, उसके बारे में जानकारी रखें. Yeah, that's what I just wanted to say while I was hearing you all these 2 minutes.
So guys, please ask questions. Let me see.
We have one question, like, could you suggest some websites to read such articles from?
Ritika, you can do that. Share with them some websites. ठीक है, जिसमें एक तो आप मैं एक सिंपल सी चीज बताती हूँ कि आप कुछ जो वर्ल्ड क्लास न्यूज़पेपर्स हैं उनके तो आप लिंक्स अपने उसमें डाउनलोड कर ही लो. कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज आती हैं, अच्छी अच्छी डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज आती हैं, उनके बारे में आप कर सकते हो. एक और तरीका मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि जितने टेड टॉक्स होते हैं, ट्रेंडिंग टेड टॉक्स, ठीक है, टेड टॉक्स भी आप वॉच कीजिए. जस्ट मेक इट अ पॉइंट दैट यू आर वाचिंग एटलीस्ट 1 or 2 टेड टॉक्स एवरी डे. इट विल इंस्पायर यू, बट प्लस इट विल गिव यू दैट हाउ टू स्पीक ऑल्सो. कम्युनिकेशन पे भी आपका एक लेसन हो जाएगा, प्लस इट विल गिव यू दैट पर्सपेक्टिव ऑल्सो. There are very interesting webinars keeps happening, so you can do that. Yeah, Prashasti?
I guess we have one more question, Malcolm ma'am, is how to practice group discussion topic. That is what Siddharth is asking, whether we can practice it. If yes, how?
So what you can do is make a group amongst yourself and get a topic, and somebody needs to give a context to the topic and then start the discussion and invite people. So this is how you normally practice. And then if you want to become a leader, then you need to try and initiate a conversation, try and become the leader. But if you are afraid to do that, does not matter. You can try and summarize it. In between, if you feel that, you know, there are people who are trying to deflect, कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि आपको डिविएट करने की कोशिश करते हैं, so you can again show your leadership by bringing that people aligning back to the topic. तो यहाँ पे आपको बीच बीच में opportunities मिलेंगी कि आप लीडर बन सकते हैं. So one is that if you can start, initiate, that is the best way of doing it. Start the topic, give the context to the topic, give the understanding of the topic, invite people to speak to or fro, give their viewpoints, you know. Secondly, अगर आपको नहीं मौका मिलता है तो you can summarize, you can close the topic. Third, be firm when people are trying to make chaos. Be firm. You can say, listen, everybody will get a chance, or that shows your leadership. That shows your leadership qualities to control also. You know, if things are, and अगर कोई बीच में इधर का उधर जा रहा है, again bring them back to. और इस सब करने के लिए I believe you need to practice communication. You need to practice it amongst the group. और knowledge के लिए, of course, I told you, आपको खूब सारी चीजें पढ़नी पड़ेंगी, आपको खूब सारी चीजें जाननी पड़ेंगी, आपको and thankfully you have everything available on your phone. You don't have to go out and sit anywhere and talk to people. कभी आप लोग किसी मम्मी पापा के फ्रेंड्स भी आते हैं, try and discuss. कोई अंकल आपके घर में आते हैं, कोई आंटी आपके घर में आती है, discuss something with them. It always widens your horizons. You know, आप किसी बड़े के साथ बैठते हैं तो हमेशा आप avoid मत कीजिए बड़ों को, आप उनके पर्सपेक्टिव सुनिए, आपको एक व्यू पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं, बहुत अच्छे व्यू पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं आपको. So talk to good people and learn and grow. Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for enlightening us on such an important topic for the students, like how to, and especially I liked one particular point in your presentation is like how to attempt the group discussion if the topic is not known. मेरी नौकरी शायद जल्दी लग जाती अगर मैंने आपको पहले सुन लिया होता. बहुत रिजेक्शन झेले थे. Yeah. So like as we are heading towards the closing time of the event, I'd like to invite Piyush to share a few words and his thoughts.
So thank you, Alka, so much, and thank you all the participants. Thank you the entire internship team. And I'm so happy, and I always become very happy and feel very lucky when I hear Alka talking. And Alka is for no small reason is an advisor to internship, which is a pride for all of us. We learn a lot from her. For all the students or participants of this webinar, I have sent a link onto the chat box. That is called Group Discussion Ideas, www.groupdiscussionideas.com. Just subscribe and you will get every third day you get a new idea. And like Alka said, read more, and the success is going to be yours. I really thank you, Alka, so much. And it is only you who can talk about the shower of technology in our life and compare it with pav bhaji. It is only you who can do it. And this is really brilliant, really brilliant. And I think like Ritika said very correctly, that, you have possibly given the best secret of all, which is possibly kind of held back to the chest by all the so-called HR community, that if you land into a situation, as much you have read it, but there will be some topics which you have possibly do not know. And you have given the golden rule of how to handle the situation when you don't know the topic. Amazingly, beautifully explained, Alka. Thank you so much. Guys, if you're listening to what, I would like you to, request the internship team to take the recording of this, see the recording. It will be very soon onto the social media everywhere with the small snippets every time. You'll find it on our channel. But remember what she said. 2-3 nuggets she has given to you. एक कितनी खूबसूरत बात अलका ने कही है कि भाषा जो है ना, वो माध्यम है, वो नॉलेज नहीं है, वो स्किल नहीं है. भाषा सिर्फ एक माध्यम है आपकी बात कहने को. और यदि आपको कल को आप मेटावर्स की बात करिए अलका ने, अगर आपको मेटावर्स के बारे में हिंदी में आप कह सकते हैं, तो कौन पूछता है कि अंग्रेजी आपको आती कि नहीं आती. मेटावर्स कितने लोगों को आता है, ये ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण. और अलका ने यही बताया कि भाषा को लेकर ना संकुचित होने की जरूरत है, ना उसको लेकर अपने बारे में हीन भावना लेने की जरूरत है. सीखने की जरूरत है निश्चित रूप से. अगर भाषा को जितना आप सीखेंगे उतना आपकी रीच बढ़ेगी. ये बात बिल्कुल सही है. लेकिन कैसे इस सीढ़ी की पहली पायदान पे कैसे पांव रखें, वो सब अलका ने आपको बताया है. और मेरे ख्याल से ये बहुत कुछ नगेट्स जो दिए हैं अलका जी ने, I think that it is going to stay with you for all the time. She has, the formula which she has given is amazing. You have to have hunger to learn, and this is one hunger. Remember, this is one hunger which will never do harm to your body. This is one hunger which will never do harm to your brain, and this is one hunger which will make you success all the time in life. And imagine the formula she is giving you. The formula she is giving us is that, I'm remembering that young boy, I think his name was Arunodaya. Yeah, Arunodaya from Himachal, 9 years old boy. He came on KBC, and imagine his confidence. Imagine the kind of talk, 9 years old guy. And he was talking to Amitabh Bachchan, and he spoke with confidence. And
he was not even conscious at all, conscious about of his background. वो एक humble background से है, वो अपनी टोपी लगा के डांस कर रहा है. And उसको इंग्लिश नहीं आती है.
नहीं आती, बिल्कुल उसको इंग्लिश नहीं आती, लेकिन 9 साल का
स्टार.
बिल्कुल. तो अलका ने जो बात कही है, मुझे बार बार वही दृश्य याद आ रहे थे जो अलका जी कह रही थी कि 9 साल का बच्चा ने अपना सीक्रेट क्या बताया. कहता मैं 90 साल के लोगों से बात करता हूँ. एंड दैट इज द सीक्रेट व्हिच अलका इज गिविंग यू. जब आपके घर में बहुत से लोग आते हैं, और हमारे साथ कई बार ऐसा होता है कि कई पार्टीज में कुछ लोगों को शौक होता है कि वो बच्चों के साथ बात करें, उनको बच्चों को शौक होता है वो बड़ों के साथ बात करें. आई थिंक this is a subconscious way of learning the whole thing, the way it is coming to. So I think, Alka, I think I cannot add anything to whatever you have said. I simply have kind of taken a clue from you and have summarized everything. So thank you so much once again for consistently supporting us and consistently supporting the entire community of students who are looking for a career. Alka carries a background of, I don't know, last time, I did a stupid mistake. When I was introducing her, I said that Alka has in her life taken 50,000 interviews. She just interjected and corrected me 75,000 interviews. And I'm very sure right now she must have crossed a lakh of number or something like that. That's what she was doing. So she is the authority into whatever she's saying. Guys, pick it up from here, learn from her, and just move forward. Thank you once again, everybody. It was a wonderful, wonderful Saturday morning to start with. Thank you, Alka, once again.
Thank you. Thank you for making me a part of this.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Piyush. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. और हाँ, जितने भी बच्चे हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, सुने, हमें प्लीज सोशल मीडिया पे फॉलो करें, बिकॉज आपको वहाँ पे बहुत सारे टिप्स और ट्रिक्स मिलेंगे, हाउ टू क्रैक द प्लेसमेंट और हाउ टू कंटिन्यूअसली लर्न एंड नो न्यू थिंग्स. ठीक है, हम लोगों का थोड़ा बहुत प्रोग्राम्स भी चलता है इंटर्नशिप में, सो यू कैन चेक www.internship.com and you can check these internship programs like Explorer, Practitioner and Professionals. If you want to do internships, if you want to learn about the career choices, or if you want to understand the various trends that are upcoming or ongoing, all those things you can learn from our internship program. You can do live projects that with our industry partners too. So do follow the social media, be with us. All of you are very, very important for internship. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend ahead.